All right, welcome back to part three of close reading. And we defined close reading as reading carefully to gain deeper understanding of difficult text. We have several strategies or steps that we use, and we've done those. In the first video, number the paragraph and chunk the text. In the second video, underline claims, circle key terms, and write the author's message in the left margin. And I also want to get that message down to 10 words or less per chunk. And then the right margin, we dig deeper, which we'll look at using power verbs to describe what the author's doing, drawing a picture of the action or message, and asking questions about the text. All right. We're using Learned Hand speech, and we have some summaries out here for paragraph 3, the first chunk. Americans are brave. They seek freedom. Liberty is not the law, it's the people. And take care of how you use liberty so it applies to all. Which I didn't quite get 10 words, but I did my best. All right? Then we come out here, because some people are visual learners, and the more we do this, the stronger it becomes. We're going to use power verbs or a picture to kind of come up with an idea of what each section is. So what I want to do for Americans are brave is come over here, and I'm going to draw a heart for bravery. But I'm going to put, an American flag in it. Remember, you never have to be able to draw better than I do. If you can't, you might need some help. All right, so there's a brave American heart. Americans seek freedom. Okay, I have to try to figure out a way to remember that chunk on its own. So I could ask a question about the text. So what do Americans seek? Might be my question, and my answer is on the left-hand side. And then I can look at this chunk. Liberty is not the law, it's the people. Sort of what I came upon there. I could draw another picture. Maybe I've got an idea for what that looks like. So people instead of books or something. But I can also do a power verb to try to remember what that is. And I think in this case, liberty is not the law, it's the people. Sort of means to me that the people are the strength. So I might say the strength of liberty. So I might say strength of liberty. And I want a verb in there. So I could use belongs, because belong is a nice word. Maybe it's not powerful enough. I could maybe write relies on the people. It's just a way to restate what I saw. And take care of how you use liberty so it applies to all. I took a look at this. This was in 1944. And in this chunk, he talks about people taking away other people's liberty, which to me is probably Germany and the Nazi Party. So maybe I could draw a swastika in school to show that, and that would be a legitimate use of that. I also see some things, maybe a society in which men recognize no check upon their freedom soon becomes a society where freedom is the possession of a savage few. So if I want to do something that's savage, maybe I could do a savage lion mouth. And you're going to laugh when I draw my lion mouth, but it's like this. some kind of crazy monster. The more I draw, the less he looks like a lion, but the more savage he looks. So there's my savage, crazy monster lion. And all this is to help me sort of understand what these things are about. I know he looks like a deranged cow. All right, the backside is up to you. We've already chunked it. We've already numbered it. Now you go ahead and mark it. Write the author's message in the left-hand side and try to dig a little deeper down the right-hand side.